I found this black Labrador in the middle of the streets here in Croix, Virgin Islands. I was able to get him out of the road, but he clearly has an owner because he has a collar and he's in danger. He's right here. I will just try to take him out of the... Look at this. He's right here. We'll just try to take him in the car and take him to a safer place. Jesus Christ. I wish I could adopt them, but I can't. Why? Here! Come on! Come on! Right now! Come on, I'll take it to a safer place. Come on. Can you jump in the car? You know how to jump in a car? Come on, bud. Here. Come on. Here. Yeah, go. Oh my God, fuck. Okay, here we go. I'm screwed. I'll take you to a better place, boy. Wait. Jesus Christ. What the hell? You have an owner. Where's your boss? Where's your owner? Where's your mommy and dad? I can't keep you, boy. Oh my God, man. It hurts my heart. He definitely is used to people. Oh my God. I need to save him. Somehow. I don't know what to do, guys. I really don't know what to do. If you know who is the owner of this beautiful dog, oh my God, he's exhausted and scared. He came to me, jumped in the car here in USVI, Croix, Virgin Islands. It's on the way to Frederickstead, near the Kmart. Please reach me out. Tell me what you can do and help us. Can't pick a fight with that other stray dog that I'm helping. No, Murphy, no fighting. Murphy, no fighting. No fighting. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay, I know, but there is another dog inside the car, Murphy. No fighting, Murphy? No. Yeah. No. No, my shit, they're playing, but... Come here. No fighting. No fighting. Good. They're playing. He's playing, Murphy. He's playing. Hey! Murphy, come on. Good boy. No. Murphy, he's playing. Murphy. Shh. I don't know what to do. Sit. Good boy. Hand. Give me your hand. You know, okay, stay. I'll give you some others. Stay. No. He's scared. I need to check the other one. Murphy, stay. Guess what? I found your mommy and daddy. Come on, Sergeant. Come on, boy. No. Don't be scared. One day I will find your owner too. Come on. I'm great. You are friends now. Come on, man. Go. Let's go. I found your dad. Come on. Sergeant. Come on. Go. Yes. My God, I cannot believe I found the owner. And you, boy, I will find your owner, or one day I will get you. Wait for me. My God, I found the owners. I hope he escaped, so I'm going there right now. Come on, Sarge. Man, I found your owner. Let's go. So let's see. It seems that I found the owner. I'm excited. I hope this boy seems to be that person. I talked to the husband, to the wife, and the husband is here. They adopted him and he escaped. He was safe, but he escaped because he's getting used to it. So his name is Sergeant. And I think I found them. Do I have your dog?
A hero,
Man, we saved one, man. Fuck yeah. He's here. He's safe. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it so much.
He's right here.
Sergeant,
Come on, boy.
Sergeant,
Come on, boy. Your daddy.
What's up?
We're here. Thank you so much for taking care of him. I appreciate you, sir.
Thank you. God bless you.
Man, God bless you. We found it. He's safe.
Yeah, man.
Enjoy.
Good guy.
Okay, I know it's a silly question, but you are really the owner, right?
Oh, for sure.
Promise me?
Yeah. That's how you must have.
It seems that you are. He's totally comfortable.
Come on, buddy.
All the best to you, sir.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Oh, shit. Guys, Allison, Becky, Alicia, Chuck, all the people that helped me to find who owns that dog that I helped. We did it. We did it. He's safe. He's back with the owner. I will post the pictures here. Thank you so much, guys. We saved one more. That's what matters. One by one. One little step in the right direction. Thank you. All of you. Even the ones that I didn't mention the names, but posted, reposted, shared, sent comments. We did it.